Rockford Fosgate Sound Lab here at Thunder Jamz 17, Sound of Tri-State, Claymont, Delaware, bringing the people 10,000 watts of Rockford Fosgate power, all set to a light show. People have been impressed. You gotta come see this.
JL Audio has built a Mustang. They are using factory radio. They have a set of C5 components in the doors with C5 tweeters in the dash as well. It's a pretty simple setup. They're using 2 amplifiers. They're using a 750 by 1 and a 604 HD. The subwoofers in the car are in the rear deck of the car. What they have is 3 TW5 13.5-inch subs, which are so that they could keep the factory radio in the car to run the stereo system. Using the shallow mount subs allows you to keep your whole trunk, and the box is incorporated into the rear deck and just a small bit of the trunk.
Our Stage 4 system from Pioneer Electronics. This is Sound of Tri-State's car. It has 2 tweeters, 2 mid-ranges, 2 mid-bass, 2 woofers, 4 amplifiers, 1,200 watts each. The radio is the 99RS, which is the ultimate radio being offered in car electronics, and it's the ultimate system that you can get for your car at this point.
Here at Sound of Tri-State, we have all the latest Viper security systems that are available here on display. We also have our new technology, which is actually called the Smart Start. With the Smart Start, if you actually look here, I have positioned my smartphone to actually be able to control the vehicle. So I can actually lock, unlock, remote start my vehicle from pretty much anywhere that I have service. So what that means is if I was in California and my vehicle was here in Delaware, I would be able to lock, unlock, and also remote start my vehicle. Here at Sound of Tri-State, they also offer Viper window film, which means you can actually get any of your vehicles actually tinted here at Sound of Tri-State while you're also getting any other parts or anything else installed.
First place, Anthony Rivera.
All right, we're here at Sound of Tri-State showing all the latest Kenwood gear, including our newest head units. The top of the line, we start out with the DNX 9980 HD. What's new this year is the fact that we've incorporated the HD tuner to give you a lot of selection, true digital quality, and a lot of sub-channels within the radio station that you're already accustomed to listening to without a lot of the interruptions with commercials and other things. We also incorporate the latest from Garmin, a navigation that most people understand and know how to use very easily. It operates smoothly with upgrades that are lifetime availability from a company that you can trust. Bluetooth, with the latest laws in Delaware, certainly New Jersey and Maryland. You want to go with hands-free operation of your cell phone.